Hello, welcome back to Chapter 5, Section 6, where we're talking about the slope-intercept form. So in this video, I'm going to do the practice problems that are on page 338 of the book, which when you open up the PDF on Schoology, it's actually PDF is page 47, right, because it starts at Chapter 5. All right, we're going to do problems 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to graph just using the slope and the y-intercept. That's all. So for problem number 1, I'll move this up so you can see the grid. My paper doesn't fit perfectly within my video, right? Start with the y-intercept. The y-intercept is -3. That's right here. My slope is 1/3. That tells me that I'm going to go up 1 and to the right 3. So up 1 and to the right 3. So go up 1, 1, 2, 3 to the right. Up 1, 1, 2, 3 to the right. And that's going to go off the grid. It also tells me a negative divided by a negative is still positive. So it tells me to go down 1 and go the other direction. I'm going to go left 3. So down 1, left 3. And that's still within my line. Down 1, left 3. I think I can draw this one freehand. But I got my ruler nearby if I need to. And make sure that you, again, no arrows, and that you go from one edge to the other edge. Go as far as you can. Problem number 2, my slope is 1/5, my y-intercept is 3.5. Uh-oh, 3.5. It'll be okay. 3.5 is 3.5, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, halfway. My slope is 0.5, but remember I want to write it as a fraction, so I'm going to write it as 1/2. That tells me I'm going to go up 1 and right 2. So I'm going to go up 1 space to 4.5, and I'm going to go right 2 spaces to there. I'm going to go up 1 to 5.5, and I'm going to go 2 spaces to the right. So that part of the line is going to look like that. But now I have to go the other direction. I'm going to go down 1, and I'm going to go to the left 2. So remember, I know I'm halfway between 3 and 4 where I started. So now I'm going to go down to 2.5, and I'm going to go over 2. Next one, I'm going to go down to 1.5 and go over 2. And then this is going to look like that. So my line is going to look like that. And I know it's a little tricky because you started with the 3.5. It's kind of hard to see. Do your best. Problem number 3. My slope is going to be 5 and my y-intercept is -1. I should start with -1. Just put that right there. Now my slope is 5. Make it into a fraction, 5/1. So that tells me to go up 5, turn and go to the right 1. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn and go 1. The next point going that direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is going to be up here someplace. So that's as far as I can go. The other way to write it would be -5 over -1, which is down 5 and to the left 1. So go back here, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm already at the bottom of the grid, and turn left 1. This one I think I may need to use my ruler for. And notice, even though 5 is not a very big number, relatively speaking, it makes a really steep slope. Okay, I don't think I could ride my bicycle up a hill that is that steep. But it's still not perfectly vertical, right? Remember, perfectly vertical lines, or vertical lines, I shouldn't even say perfectly, it's just vertical lines, do not have a slope. But we'll get to that later. Finally, for the last one, excuse me, my y-intercept is 2. So I'm going to start right there. And my slope is -2. That's -2 over 1 or +2 over -1. I'll put the positives in there so you can see where they're at. This tells me to go down 2 and to the right 1. 1, 2, turn right. 1, 2, 1, 2, turn right. And I got all these points on the line that are going this direction. or up 2, left 1, 1, 2, left 1, 1, 2, left 1. And that graph is going to look like that. All right, we'll see you in the next video.